Hi friends, welcome to Git series. So today we are going to discuss about the revert command. We will use keep on. We will use this command in our day-to-day life. Basically, what is the use of the revert command means you added some few files and you committed. So if you want to delete that commit, if you suppose you are in the master branch, you created few files. Okay, so you add that file, you commit that file. If you see the git log, you can see the lot of like your commit IDs. By using that commit ID, you can revert back the changes. You can delete those changes from your master branch. So it's very easy, nothing much. You know all the commands. Just we'll see how we can use this command in this tutorial. Okay, so let me open my Ubuntu machine. Okay, so I'm in which branch? First let me check I'm which branch. I was in the develop branch. So what I will do, let me check out the master branch. Okay, so git status. Here I will create one new branch. Okay, check out -b. So new branch, like I will say, is a dummy branch. I'm creating one. Okay, instead of dummy branch I will security. Okay, one branch I created, security branch. Now it will point out to security. Okay, if you let me clear my screen. If you do the ls command, I have a lot of files. So what I will do, I will create one a new file. I will say maybe what we call security file dot java. Okay, I created one new file. Okay, I will create another file, security login dot java. Two files I created now. Okay, what I will do, if you use the git status -s, it will display unknown files. What I will do, you can add all the files. Okay, I will add first security file dot java now. Okay, security file dot java, and only two files I created right now. To know about the revert command, what I am doing, I will do two commits. Okay, so if you go for commit -m, and you can provide security file, I say added. Okay, now I added. If you see for the git log, see this is develop, and now head is pointing to security, so security file added now. Okay, if you do the ls command, where is our security file dot java, security login dot java. If you use the git status, okay, still security login we didn't add it now. Okay, hope you are following. Now what I will do, now this time I will what I am doing is I will doing two commits. After that I will apply the revert command. Why we are using that revert? Okay, so git add, I will say security login dot java. Now I will commit this one also, git hyphen, I will say security login added now. Okay, now we are applying our command. If you see the git log, so security file added and security login added. Now if you want to revert this particular commit from your branch, then nothing, you no need to do anything, just copy your commit id. So just copy, and you can say, let me clear my screen. I copied, right, git. Now if you see, if you observe ls-tl, the recent file is security file and security login.java. Okay, it is created at 9.3, this is created at 9.4. Now what will happen, just observe. Now if I use git revert, just I'm copy paste my commit id. Okay, now it is asking to confirmation. See, the revert security file will be reverted back. Okay, now you can, if you can say security, I'm giving some different name here, removed from commits. Okay, now you can use control x, yes. Okay, and you can use. Okay, now I came out of that batch. Okay, now what I will do, you can use git. Now your if you use the ls command, see, are you able to I will use ls hyphen tl. See, whatever you committed at the 9.4 security login.java is available. That security whatever file you created, that is you reverted back. I hope you guys are clear. Now I want to show you one more new thing. Why? Because suppose one file you committed two times, I mean two changes you done. While you are reverting one file, you will get merge conflicts. How you need to resolve that case? Okay, what I will do, ls command, if you use the git log, recent security file added, removed from the commits, this is your latest commit. Security login is available now, right? So what I will create, okay, okay, I will create the new file for your better understanding. What I will do, you can create another file. What will give, we can say login auth dot java. One file I created now in this java file. Okay, so I will append some data. So this is the, you can append by using the cat command. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I will say first line, I'm adding a first line in login auth. If you use the control D double time, it will be save your file. If you want to confirm, check. Yeah, first line in login auth. I hope you are following. Now what I am doing is, I will add this file. Okay, before doing, just check the status command. Only one file I have. I will add dot git commit. I'm trying to show you the conflicts when you are reverting back. Okay, so if you revert commit hyphen f, I will say first line. Okay, now you committed your file. If you see the git log, where is your this is first line, in which file? In the login auth file we done, right? Okay, now what I will do, if you do the ls command, where is our file name? Login auth, right? What I will do, again I will append few more data. Okay, login auth.java, here I will make it as a second line in login auth. If you use the control dd, okay, if you want to confirm, if you use the cat command, it will display, see, first line in login auth, second line in login auth. Two times I committed. Now what I will do, I will revert back first line in login auth. What will happen? Just observe here now. Let me add this file git, and you can use the git commit hyphen m second line in login auth. Okay, this is another way we are doing. What I will do, git log, if I use here first line login auth, second line login auth. Now what I need, I want to revert back this particular commit change. How you need to do? If you see here, just I copied. Okay, now git hyphen tl, sorry, ls hyphen tl, this is my recent modification file login auth.java. Okay, so what I will do, git revert, let me paste it your commit id. See, there is a conflict, login auth.java deleted in the parent, the first line, and modified ahead version. What it is saying, couldn't revert. Why? Because after resolving the conflict, mark the corrected path. If you see here, git status command, see, deleted by them login auth.java. What you want to do, if you do the ls command, okay, now you need to edit. If you open your file, see, it is delete, it is saying that you cannot delete if you have a conflicts in your file. it is saying. Now if you want to add, you can add, just you can open what we call gedit login auth.java. Now it is saying you can remove this particular change, then you can save. Now you can easily commit your file. Now updated login auth. Committing is not possible because you have unmerged files, so you need to add the file. Git add login auth.java, then you can commit. Okay, if you see the git log, first line, second line, updated login auth.java. I hope you guys are followed this a revert command. We'll see how we need to use like a detached head. There is a small concept is there, so you can go for revert back to old commits and you can create new branches. We can do a lot of things in the next tutorial. We'll see. Thank you guys.